Deep in the jungle, when the sun disappears, everything changes. The forest doesn't sleep, it comes alive. And tonight, we're following one of the last hunters. He's taking us into the darkness, showing us creatures you'd never notice, and sounds you don't understand. So let us tell you how we got there.
We're gonna move to another village now, and then tomorrow they're gonna take us even deeper into the jungle to a place where they still hunt with blowpipes. So now we're gonna go on that boat.
Very strong, just be careful. Yeah?
Let's go! Hello! So yeah guys, we made a stop because they have a shop here to buy some beers and whatever, and some people drinking here, so they invited us. So now we're gonna have some more alcohol, and then we're gonna go to the blow dart community. So drive better after. Only one, just one.
Only one!
But only one, bad luck, need two. Say something.
It's raining a lot, man.
No, say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to...
So yeah guys, we stopped here to buy some supplies. We changed the boat now, and now we're gonna go to the blow hunting community.
We are heading further than planned. Help us make it to the next village. Link in bio.
Hey guys, so now we arrived at our destination, and that's where they still hunting with the blow darts. So we're gonna see what's going on, see their culture, and hopefully make some friends, because that's really important, man. Always make friends, otherwise nothing gonna happen. Friend!
Yes.
Thank you. Easy. Nice. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
What's this one? Hey! It's a party!
Can you show me? Oh, I never see a fruit like this in my life.
Banana called is pidao.
Pidao. And tastes like lychee? Look like lychee? Wait, you hold. No, it's better than lychee. Well, really nice. It's more sour than lychee.
Oh, it looks like my skin.
The name? Jambu. Jambu.
In Malay,
No,
it's jambu.
It's nice. Tastes really fresh. Fresh taste. Not water. Thank you for us. We can stay here.
Yeah.
You want to try? Try. It's good. We are finally here. It took us 8 days, including traveling and all the social work to get here and get accepted. But now we're here. Hopefully we're gonna have some good adventures, but I'm sure about that. So come and join us and see what we're gonna do.
Okay, time for food. Thank you.
Okay, yeah guys, we are here deep in the jungle of Borneo. We're gonna go for a walk at night. Maybe we see some snakes, some insects, some spiders, whatever. He's gonna show us. He's a really nice guy and he has good eyes. He can find things I couldn't even find. So yeah, follow us.
Yeah, thank you.
See you.
And be careful on the mud place, because some part is very muddy because the rain is slippery. Yeah. Just let me know if you need stop or something. All right, we can stop. This is we call tarum. Tarum is one of the plant where my people use for the skin, especially for those who got like ringworm. You know, the itchy. Yeah.
Yes.
They collect the leaf and then you can scratch it, and then you put in the water a little bit, and then put on the part of itchy. Yeah. This is like medicine plant for my people. Yeah. Look here. You can see here. You can look on the top. That is like we call stick insect. Yeah, they look like a stick, yeah? And the head is that way. And you see the antenna, yeah? This is long arm here. Like, careful, slippery here. What's your step here? Another word called tiger orchid. Yeah, the tiny one. This one is very common come to the grass area. You see a small one on the leaf here, the black color. This can grow big one, about that big. This is also like a family of a stick insect. When they grow big one, they can have like spiky on the back side. They don't bite, but don't touch it.
Better don't.
You see the blue something like dragonflies. What's your step? This is bit going down, yeah?
Have in Germany inside the house.
Oh yeah. And this one also for my people because they got the hole like here.
Yeah.
In olden days, like my grandfather, they use it like for medicine plant also because they believe the hole is like our spine, our backbone. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what they use it, they collect the leaf like a young part or like this medium, and then they heat it on the fire. After they heat it, so they put on the back where it's pain. That is how they use for medicine plant. You see the web around here and the spider on the middle. And another spider there. You can see a small one. This is we call fire ants.
Oh.
Careful, they come you.
Yes.
They bite very painful. One of them climb on you. Careful on this.
It's really impressive how you see them so fast.
I saw the moving antenna. You can practice in the night, yeah.
This one you can eat.
Oh yeah, you can eat this fruit, but very like jelly.
Oh,
Yeah.
then I don't like it.
Yes, you try.
You can try, very sweet, yeah?
Very sweet.
Yeah.
Like
For breakfast jelly.
Yeah, you just bite them, you just bite it. Some of them very sweet. Yeah.
yes, it reminds me of something, but I don't know what.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, but it's slimy.
You see a lot of the ants. This is how the ants and another insect, they come to the bamboo young shoot because they get some of the like nectar from the plant. The water come from the bamboo. What's your step? We don't have many insects, but I will show you one of the plants here. This is a very spiky plant, yeah? This is like a snake skin of the plant. When they have a fruit, the fruit is come from down here and they become a big family of fruit. And this, what we use, the long stem, we use for fishing rod in the jungle. You can cut it and then you clean off all the spike here, and you can use last part a bit longer, and then you can put the fishing. And also my people use inside the plant, inside here, like inside there. We open all the way like this. We use it for the blowpipe, the flying part. Yeah, we collect it and then we dry it. And then after dry, very light. And then we use it for the dart. Like this. And we open it. Yeah, this part of this plant we use. When it dry, it's very light.
It's like a sponge.
Yeah, like a sponge. We cut it like that, and then we put it a little bit, and then yeah, and we use it for the. You can see in my thing, they have like a big bowl. Inside there, they have a lot of this. Yeah, and also the bark like this, we can use it for the dart. This one of the plant very useful in the jungle.
Very useful, but
Yeah.
very hard to get.
Yeah, spiky. You can smell. I cut it. Maybe you can try a little bit. You can have that one.
Man, that's nice. It's a lot better than durian. Huh? It's sweet, creamy, tastes like
Yeah.
a little bit like yogurt also. It's nice, yeah.
Here, baby, the bats. This. the small one.
It's looking like a leaf.
Yeah. This is like a baby one. This type of very soft wood. But the most important for this plant, for my people, they use it. They collect the bark here to use a rope. Yeah. How we collect it? We just cut about there, pull it all the way down, and you press it more to the trees, and then going down, then you can get how long you need, yeah, and maybe enough, then you can cut very close to the wood, yeah, and this is the bark outside, but this is very close to the wood, good for the rope. My people use this for the rope, and then we doing like this. You can use for carry something, yeah.
Like monkey.
Yeah, monkey, yeah. When you go to the jungle, you get a monkey, you don't have a bag or for carry something, you can use this to collect the leaf and put together, and then you use this for your, the hang here. And also this type of rope we use for like a trap. You can have it.
Oh, it's strong.
Oi.
How to catch a chameleon.
This one biting or no?
Yes, sir.
Oi.
This one of bit poison one, yeah. Careful with this one.
Hey, I don't know. Something bite me. Oh, it's.
How are you feeling?
Oh, fuck, man, they hurt. It's not like in Germany. They sting a little bit. Bro, this one's fucking hurt.
This one, this is another bamboo. The bamboo. When my people go in the jungle, we use the bamboo like for whistle for to kill to call animal like deer or barking deer. They call barking deer, yeah. And this bamboo we cut like I make a whistle for us. I cut a little bit there, and I just cut here. This when you go in the forest, you see when you found the bamboo, you can collect. You can leave this part, but they have about that length. You can cut it a bit smooth on the part, and then you can break on the middle, half of them. Yeah. You can split it like that, about that way. And then what we use when we in the forest, you can try. Maybe you can press about that way, or yeah, the sound.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's how
Yeah.
the mom called the baby.
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Yes. Oh, the sound is really good.
Yeah.
It's really close. In Germany, we don't have this one. We use leaf.
Oh yeah, the leaf also can. Yeah.
Like here.
Yeah.
But this sound is better.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Yeah. You can press about somewhere here. You can find it. Yeah. Yeah. That's good. You can press and then little bit. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank
And I hope tomorrow we're lucky we can go
Yeah, we
for
can
the.
go.
But we hope for good weather. Yes.
We thought this was it, but the next hunt would change everything. The next adventure brings us deeper into the forest, and we have no idea how it turns out. Watch here